This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding geolocator and permission handler to PubSpec. YAML so you can request and read location. Once done, declare Android and iOS permissions in Android manifest and info. Plist. This prevents silent failures. Next, request runtime location permission with permission handler and check location service status via geolocator. This immediate setup step ensures your app can access sensors and OS APIs. Make sure to test on a real device, because emulators often require manual mock location setup. Now implement the call, await geolocator. Get current position, desired accuracy, location accuracy. High to obtain latitude and longitude. You do this inside an async function and handle permission status. If denied, call request and recheck. Also detect if location service is enabled and prompt the user if it is not. Wrap the geolocator call in try/catch to handle timeouts and position exception. By handling these branches, you keep the UI responsive and provide clear user feedback when location cannot be fetched. Finally, take the return position, latitude and position, longitude, and pass them to your map widget or API calls. Store them in state and optionally cache last known location for faster subsequent loads. Once done, update UI and handle nulls gracefully. If it still fails, make sure location permission is granted in system settings and location services are turned on. On Android, confirm the app has access fine location and background rules if needed. If errors persist, inspect device logs and retry with a simple diagnostic function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.